I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious kiwi smoothie. Let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to start by adding everything in this blender. So I'm going to use 1 kiwi, 1 apple that has been finely sliced, half a cucumber, a handful of mint leaves, 1 banana, a teaspoon of maple syrup, half a teaspoon of grated lemon zest, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now it's time to blend it up. Now that's done, it's time to taste. Now that is delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed and see you next time.